What if one day you wake up and realize you've spent more time at work than with the people you love most? Time is something we can never get back, and yet most of us give it away to jobs that leave us drained and missing out life. Hi, I am Christine, a mom, a wife, and a healthcare worker here in Norway. I've been in this beautiful country for over 11 years, serving one of the largest rehabilitation hospitals, helping spinal cord injury patients. My personal moment today, I'm going to the funeral of one of my colleagues. It's a heavy reminder that life is short and time is fragile. We often spend 8 to 10 hours at work, come home exhausted, and only get maybe 2 to 3 hours with our family before it's time to sleep and do it all over again. We tell ourselves it's temporary, but days turn into years and our kids grow up while we're busy just trying to survive. That's why I made the decision to start a legitimate digital business. Not to get rich quick, but to buy back my time. This business gave me the tools, support, and automation to build income online. So I no longer have to trade all my time just to earn a living. Feeling constantly exhausted and guilty? Missing out on your kids' milestones and moments? Knowing you were made for more but feeling stuck in the cycle? Wondering if this is all life is meant to be? If any of you hits home, for you, please don't wait for a wake-up call. Visit and register on my page www.kbpresnomia and I will personally guide you and show you how this business works, even if you have zero experience. It's time to stop living in survival mode. Build something now that gives you more time, more presence, and more life with the ones you love. Tomorrow is never promised, but today you have a choice. I'll see you inside. Bye for now.